Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be making Granny Smith chocolate covered unicorn themed apples. Make sure your apples are clean and you take off the little stem. Wash them good. Then we're going to start by sticking a wood dowel in the center. These measure 5.5 inches, but you can have them measure a little longer if you want. So you grab your apple and try to stick the dowel right in the center. And you do this for all your apples. I'm only going to be doing 3 sample ones, but you can make as many as you like. Then I will be adding these straws. These are paper straws. So I'll be placing these over the wooden dowels. When you're pushing these in, you want to help the paper straw through the bottom. That way it won't bend at the top. So just hold it at the bottom while you push from the top down. Then I use these chocolate melts. They're from Walmart. It's 1 pound and they're in the color white. I also use this cup and it's microwavable. And prior to melting your chocolate, make sure your apples fit and they're not touching the walls of the cup. Then you want to start by melting your chocolate. I melt the chocolate in increments of 30 seconds. But you can follow the instructions to the chocolate that you're going to be melting. Make sure that it's in this consistency, and not too hot as well, because then it'll clump on your apple. So you stick it in there, and then you kind of want to tilt it to its side, so all sides are covered in chocolate. If it starts clumping up, it's because your chocolate is too hot, and since the apple is cool, it's drying it too fast. And here I forgot to stir it again. After each apple is stuck in the chocolate, you want to stir the chocolate, and I didn't do that here, so this one might be a little lumpy. So again, make sure you get chocolate on the top on all sides. You can just take off the excess chocolate at the bottom. And like I said earlier, give your chocolate another little stir prior to sticking your other apples. And there you have it, your 3 chocolate covered apples. Next, I purchased this Wilton icing bag. I'm going to be using this. This is the first time, so I'm not sure how this works. And this strawberry, Pillsbury frosting. And this Funfetti blue vanilla. I also have a purple one. So let's see how these work. Then you want to get some cling wrap or plastic wrap. And I will be mixing pink and white frosting. You can mix whatever colors you want. You could even mix up to 4 colors or more to give it a rainbow effect. But for this video, I'm just using pink and white. So first I just grab some of the white, and this doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be putting this in a piping bag, so it's going to get all messed up in there anyways. And then pink. Give it a little roll so they can compact together. These are my favorite piping bags. I purchased them from Amazon and they're called Master. They're really soft, very thin, and they're very sturdy and very inexpensive. So I'll leave a link of where you can get these down below. So you want to cut one of the edges close to the frosting, that way when you put it in your piping bag, it's easy to pipe out. So I've already placed all my frostings in their piping bags, and now I have these unicorn ears and unicorn horn. If you want to see how I made these, you can just go check out the marshmallow unicorn video, and you'll see how I made those. So I just got the horn and I placed it with some pink gel on the straw. This will help it stay standing. And I did that for all 3. Then I followed by frosting the unicorn's hair. And like I said, this is the first time I'm going to be using this yellow Wilton piping bag. Hopefully it works good. I really enjoy mixing two colors of frosting. I think it gives it a cuter effect. So you continue to do this for all the colors until you have the desired hair look of your unicorn. So this is how they look once they're done. I didn't really like how that yellow frosting worked, but I don't know, you guys might. I won't be purchasing any more of that. It's kind of runny. I followed by adding some glitter while the frosting is still fresh. And I also placed the ears on each side of the horn. So just sprinkle the glitter all over the frosting. Next, I added some fondant flowers just to embellish it a little and give it a little pop of color. If you want to learn how to make these flowers, you can also check out the unicorn marshmallow video, and I show you how to make them there. Next, I use this Wilton Candy decorating pin to make the eyes. And there's no right or wrong way to make the eyes. So this is how they should look once you're done. The eyes. Oh, and I also added these little glitter pearls to the hair. I'm not very satisfied with the frosting colors, but you can always make them like pastel colors or your colors of choice. I think they turned out okay.